Hello, people. Right, as you see, hinges are on. Cut. Now this is the wheels. We're gonna, still stinks of gas. There's a dent in here somewhere I gotta get out. There. I'll get that out now in a minute. That's quite easy. It up close and personal. Let me just show you what the V is all about. Still making a flute. It's when you put the boat in. Stay there, I'll be back now. When you put the boat in, there now, the boat's in. You see the V? Well, I can put a weld in there now and that stops that nut ever coming back out. But the wheel will still turn. The wheels on the wheel will still turn, okay? That's the logic in that one. The metal dust, honest to God. I could probably cough up a wheelbarrow full. Yes, I'm putting you over here, out the fucking way. So yeah, put something over your face if you can. You know, a bit of this. Hello everybody! A bit of that goes a long way. Let's see what you find your hat. Okay, there's your hat. Hello ladies and gentlemen! Now, the best grounding tool I did, probably found. For this one, the original 1930. It's faster for taking off shits. Flapper discs okay. We're flipping about a bit. Look. If you want to take a lot of steel off quickly, go back to the 30s. See the difference? A lot quicker. A lot quicker than I'm fucking about with that flapper disky shit. I say it takes half the time to shift that much material. It gets it off there quick. Whereas the flapper discs and these last for fucking yonkies. That's the job, I don't give a toot who you are. That's the job nobody likes. Everybody that does this don't like that bit. I'm gagging for the coffee. No, I'm not gagging for that, I'm gagging for the coffee. Oh, up close and personal twice. Easy nice. It's that shape. Right. It's a beautiful tool, it's a beautiful tool. When it's working beautifully. I got that far, I got the lights on, the air vent going in, the mud guards, the flue. I need a bit of that. But I need it straight. So you know a man who can? I know a man who can. Right, that's basically close. 2 bits. Alexa corner like that. Not a lazy lobby. Remember the days of going finding a drill, get a drill that size, get the drill, charges, it's flat. Why do you do that? Now let's just get the diesel tanks out. You can tell how good your cut's going if the sparks are going through it and not bouncing back up at you. So you know you're on a good cut. Because the road is round, it turns me on. Because you can guarantee there's a wire in there and the fucking thing will chop straight through the fucking wire. We've got the tools, we've got the technology, we've got half a brain, so it should work. The pipe is going on there like that. We're going to weld that on there. Like that. Right, I've welded an inch that way, an inch that way. Now if we can. An inch in the middle. So theory wise, if I cut that by there, that comes off there and leaves you two pieces on there, one piece on there. So the thing should always go back where it came from. So we're on a roll. That fits in there. And that should then hinge. I'm happy with that. Can you tell by looking in my face? My daughter just brought me a cup of coffee. No back window because that will become a nice plate to put your burger on. Theory. Don't quote me on that for God's sake. So if the door is that big, let's tilt the door down slightly. So I haven't got that much steel, you see, all I got is bits. So I'd say if I was driving this, the windows would be about there. Oh, what can you see? You can see everything I can see, I'm telling you that much. I do it freehand. You can't do it unless you put earth on it, apparently. What band is this? The doors. Do it the old-fashioned way. I tried the windscreen a little bit different this time. What we're going to do is pop it in there and see if we can bend them out to a degree. I want you to tell me why you walk down on. What goes around comes around, without a doubt. I've always said that. Catabush, will you do the fucking fandango? So, as you see, that's going to come to there like that, so you can put stuff on there. I don't know why. Why the hell should I know why? So, the fingers, juvenile delinquents, we've got no steel. I might be have enough steel here to do the front. Yeah, it is good. That's all. Will that reach here? Of course it will. Here's a rod behind me, sneaking in like a commando. Ready to take over that internet business. What do you see? Not afraid of looking ears. Right, let me talk you through it. Put a toe thing here because apparently it might have to be lifted up into a doodly. There she is. She opens up into a nice barbie with a hot plate, and then the cab goes forward. And then you've got another place to put something over, and then you've got places to put something else over. That goes down. You've got to drop that down first, and then that goes down second, and there you go. All we've got to do is a bonnet. I've hardly videoed any of this because we've had crazy fuckers next door who won't shut up. Music fucking blasting, so you can't video with music blasting, as we all know. The new web page, I don't know if you've been on there yet, it's called Make It, Show It, Sell It. Okay. If you've got a brain freeze like I get often, it's nice to go and have a look at somebody else's work, and hopefully it'll inspire you to make something similar. The page is about sharing. If you want to go on and have a look, there's nice people on it. They don't mind sharing with you. In fact, they probably send you measurements. If you can't weld, you're going to be able to do something. I can't weld, mister. I can't weld, mister. That's okay, that one. This one is different because, can I turn that camera over? This one's different. The cab comes forward, and it gives you a resting place there for whatever, plus she's gridded there. So that's the cooking area, if it is used for cooking. That goes up, and then you can put your saucepan on there, just somewhere to put it. Whatever on there, whatever on there, and that's your. This obviously comes out. That don't, but that stays in. That goes down. That goes down. Noisily. This one was mine. This was built for me as a forge. On this one as a forge. Matthew said he's going to do a bit of forging, but he wants barbecue as well. So there you go.